Welcome back everyone. In this video, we will see how we can do meditation. I know for many of you meditation must be difficult, but here we will be learning how to do guided meditation. Even if someone else is not guiding you, you can guide yourself. We will see how to do that. But before that, I want to tell you that if you do meditation, you are going to relax your mind, you are going to get the peace of your mind, and at the same time, during meditation, the universal energy, the cosmic energy start flowing in our body, and it moves through the different channels. There are 72,000 nadis inside the energy body. So this cosmic energy start flowing into different nadis of the body, and our body starts healing. During meditation, our brainwave state also goes to either alpha or theta state. In theta state, the brainwave frequency ranges from 3 to 8 hertz, and this is the frequency of our Mother Earth. We know that the Earth's frequency is 7.83 Hz, which is also mentioned as the Schumann resonance. So during meditation, our brainwave state also moves from beta to alpha to theta, and when it is in theta state, the natural healing start happens. Beta state is the conscious state. Right now when I'm talking to you, this is the conscious state. This time our brainwave frequency is between 14 to 30, and when we go to the alpha state, that is a relaxed state, our brainwave frequency is between 8 to 13, and in theta state our brainwave frequency is in between 3 to 8 hertz. So that time our body aligns with the Mother Earth and the natural healing starts happening. So we must meditate every day to stay connected with the Mother Earth. Now here I'm going to mention two types of meditation which you can do by yourself without using any outside source. Okay, so first one is observing your breath. The main mantra or the main principle of this meditation is you have to inhale unconditional love and you have to exhale all toxic thoughts. So first thing what you have to do is you have to sit in any comfortable position. You have to relax your body and mind, and then gently close your eyes and start focusing your normal breathing. You have to take few deep breaths before you start the meditation, and then you start focusing on your breath. Whenever you are breathing in, imagine you are breathing light, you are breathing love, you are breathing positive energies, and feel the positive energy is spreading through all over your body to all the cells. And then when you are exhaling, imagine from all the cells, all the toxins are going out in the form of black smoke. All your bad feelings, all your negative energies, your stress, anxiety, fear, everything is going out. All the toxic emotions, all the toxic elements are going out from your body in the form of carbon dioxide. So every time you breathe in and breathe out, imagine that you are breathing in divine light, positive energy, and love. And every time you breathe out, imagine you are breathing out all the toxic elements, all toxic emotions. You keep doing this until you feel that you are cleansed from inside, until you get your peace of mind. You can do it for 10 to 15 minutes. The next one, what we can do is imagination. We can use our imagination power, and I have already shared one meditation with you, that is creating a mental space. This is similar to that meditation. Again, what you can do, you can sit quietly in any comfortable position. You can lie down also. You have to gently close your eyes and focus on your breathing. You can take few deep breaths and start focus on your breathing. Then you start visualizing yourself in a safe place, in a comfortable place, in a peaceful place. Maybe you can visualize yourself in the nature where you can feel the gentle breeze touching your skin. You can smell the environment, you can smell the flowers around you. You can feel the green soft grass underneath your feet. Using your five senses, you can feel the nature. With each breath, you can smell your imaginary environment. This is how you can meditate using visualization technique. When you feel that your mind is completely clear, there is no thought, tell yourself that I am peaceful, I am happy, I am protected. And this way, you can spend 10-15 minutes. Sometimes it may happen that you may spend more than 30 minutes and you won't even realize. And if you do this practice before going to bed, you will definitely get some good sound sleep. You can try this. So every day, practice meditation, get connected with the nature, stay healthy. Thank you, everyone.